When maximizing your belly benefits, you might want to start spending more time in the kitchen than the gym, starting with breakfast. A plate of eggs is an optimal morning meal. Eggs, especially the yolks, are jam-packed with vitamins D and B12, both of which help your body burn fat. Aside from these vitamins, eggs also contain high-quality protein, iron, phosphorus, and choline, which are essential nutrients for the body. Isn't that amazing? Did you know that the protein and healthy fats in eggs make you feel fuller, keeping you from snacking on empty calories in between meals? Research also shows that people who eat eggs in the morning lose more weight and belly fat than those who opt for high-carb foods such as cereals or bagels. Here are some healthy egg recipes that you can try and include in your flat belly eating plan. 1. Scrambled eggs. When targeting weight loss, one of the easiest egg recipes to make is scrambled eggs. You can even eat it with fresh vegetables and fruits for a wholesome breakfast. 2. Omelet. Making an omelet at home is not that difficult. You can pull this off in minutes with a few basic steps and a flip of the wrist. You can make it in your own way and fill it with whatever you have on hand. It's important not to skip your breakfast, and an omelet is the least time-consuming recipe to make with eggs. 3. Eggs with beans. Beans are another good source of protein that you can add to eggs to make a tasty meal. You can combine eggs and beans in sauces and bake together for a satisfying meal. This can be an excellent way to get fiber and protein in one delicious meal. It'll keep the body from feeling hungry too often, avoiding weight gain. 4. Healthy deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are hard-boiled eggs beaten with a mixture of egg yolk, spices, mustard, and mayonnaise. However, you can replace mayonnaise with Greek yogurt to make deviled eggs one of the best breakfast choices for a weight loss diet. Greek yogurt is low on fat and high on protein. 5. Eggs with sprouts salad. Sprouts are a very healthy snack or breakfast option for a weight loss diet, as sprouted grains are packed with more protein. Sprouts are also believed to have anti-cancer properties in them. Did you know that? A salad made with boiled eggs and sprouts can be a very healthy choice for a full meal. It is tasty, nutritious, and also calorie-free to keep your weight in check. So if you're trying to lose belly fat, adding eggs to your diet may be one of the easiest things to do. They can make you feel fuller and help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Eggs are also a great source of many vitamins and minerals that are commonly lacking in the diet. Eating eggs, especially for breakfast, may be just what makes or breaks your belly fat loss. Eggs aren't bad for you after all. In fact, they are very beneficial to you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.